Coming back to CryptoQ Media channel is an absolute delight. Salutations, all. For what reason is XRP underperforming compared to the other top 100 coins? It is fully compliant with all regulations. More than a decade has passed, and it boasts every conceivable function. What the fuck is happening? You may already be familiar with the name of one notable XRP community member, Attorney Bill Morgan, who has been providing a plethora of informed legal commentary as the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has advanced. But he did provide some thoughts on the subject. Beyond that, I would like to analyze a few of his statements. What I will say is that, particularly in the last several months, he has been publishing XRP price behavior facts extremely frequently. I have no doubt that some of you on X-rated social media site have also come across this. Although he rarely comments when he does, I will share the ones he offers with you since I think they are essential and useful. Unfortunately, he is mostly just reporting XRP price activity, and a lot of the time, it sounds negative. Thus, many people assume he is a flood stirrer or just an XRP bear, even though this isn't always true. Since I've been keeping tabs on him for some time, I wouldn't mind if he were. Regardless, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. Additionally, you could inquire with him about the frequency of his posts. He is merely disseminating information. Furthermore, it is very acceptable to exchange data. Things get heated when you explain what's happening and why this is happening. Let me get this out of the way. Does it even make sense that XRP is underperforming? No. The stock and cryptocurrency markets make this inevitable, though. On occasion, you can find stocks, or cryptocurrency, that are remarkably cheap. Everyone behaves as it was always evident when the value of these stocks or cryptocurrencies starts to grow, but the truth is that the majority of people fail to notice. We are in a bull market. Because XRP has been in a tight spiral for almost 6 years. With that out of the way, I will tell you a little bit about this. Due to my lack of training and expertise, I am not giving any kind of financial advice. I need you to grasp this before we go any farther. Definitely, positively, do not allow anything I say to sway your decision to buy or sell. I am simply an enthusiast who enjoys making videos on YouTube about cryptocurrency for fun and as a hobby. The following are 4 blog entries written by Attorney Bill Morgan that I thought you might find interesting. The first one is on June 6th. He went on to explain that last month, we were notified by many sources that XRP's price had started to recover after its extended decline relative to Bitcoin. Not yet. Value has fallen by about 84% in the last 6 months. Whatever the case may be, XRP has underperformed compared to 88% of the top 100 cryptocurrencies in terms of performance over the last year of XRP's legal clarity. This could be due to the trend itself or the persistent predictions of a huge XRP price increase. The data shows that XRP's price has been going downwards in comparison to Bitcoin. Its value in relation to the dollar has also been rising. But even when compared to the US dollar, a number of foreign coins performed substantially better. Truly, XRP plummeted to a low of 28 cents per dollar in June 2022. For the past many years, it has been steadily rising. Being able to see that association is therefore a comfort. Bitcoin, though, is the currency in question. All he's doing is repeating facts. Not much more. I brought out at the beginning of the movie that some people take his statistics and assume he dislikes XRP or is a foster, but that's not the case. Let me fill you in on the XRP price in respect to Bitcoin. It has been directed that I view it. On my channel, I essentially wax lyrical about it daily. It seems sense to do so in my opinion since, looking at the big picture, the relative prices of XRP and Bitcoin are now at a stage where a significant growth in value is expected to happen. I am not one to make strong claims, but this is by no means guaranteed. This was clarified in my most recent video. The terminology I choose to use is probability. Is it probable given that history tends to repeat itself? This is the moment doesn't necessarily mean tomorrow, next week, or next month. But the moment has come, and we hope that each new low for XRP, Bitcoin, like the one on April 13th, is the last. We were mistaken. Unfortunately, XRP and the entire cryptocurrency market just saw another spike below that. The price of XRP relative to Bitcoin has hit new lows. This makes sense to me. Yeah, I know I said that, but that's only because I don't do price forecasts. In addition, it didn't seem to me that April 13th would be the lowest point of the cycle. I only made mental notes of the fact, but it was the lowest moment right now. Regardless of whether XRP reaches a new low against Bitcoin or not, I have already said that it will reach a final bottom and take off. XRP's market value is clearly below its intrinsic worth, but price eventually catches up with value. Because there wasn't enough collected, I additionally made sure to set aside some for the site. Yeah, folks, that's simply the way it is. But there will be a swarm of people following that one big green candle. Many individuals aren't keen on buying XRP at the moment, but they will be quite interested when its price hits $5, $6,789, $10, or any number in between. I must stress that I firmly think, thus, to restate, he is only divulging knowledge. You are totally correct. I think that's okay. This is a supplementary post from June 7th. Also, he brought up the fact that XRP has been falling for months, with barely any gains, and is now trading below its July 2023 price. This before legal certainty. All while Bitcoin is hitting record highs. By the time he released this, the price of Bitcoin had risen to 48 cents. On this, I wholeheartedly agree. It is merely factual. At last, it concludes it. I recently noticed that this guy, what's his name, says that Bitcoin is the revolution, and I hope that its value sinks to zero soon. This is it. My original intention in making this video was not to draw attention to a bad Bitcoin maxi troll. The deal is that, they are located. His shirt prominently displays the lightning insignia, so it's easy to tell. Oh, I'm sorry, everyone. Bitcoin is the most technologically obsolete cryptocurrency ever created, yet you are a staunch advocate for it. When it comes to money, Bitcoin is changing everything. I now keep it close since it has won me over. Plus, if that's how people in this culture see it, being the first means you can live for hundreds, if not thousands, of years. That concludes it. If you want to know what constitutes a store of value, that is it. Impressive work. I don't mind at all. But watch out for what you're supporting. The XRP ledger, for instance, is a technology at layer 1, but it may be utilized at layer 2 to enable Bitcoin to do other things. Your coin has no value if this layer 2 technology does not exist. It brings Satoshi Nakamoto's vision of Bitcoin as a decentralized, peer-to-peer payment system to fruition, much like Spin the Bits is accomplishing currently. Given that all previous attempts have failed, that seems to be our sole option for making it happen. My ranting is over now. With a chuckle, I exclaimed, "Oh, here we go." When I suddenly noticed it. Because of this man, I really wish Bitcoin crashes to zero. Everything is okay with Bitcoin Max, the everlasting poison. Enjoy relaxing under your bridge next to your rubbish fire, eating cottage cheese at room temperature, and extorting Bitcoin from others to pass, a procedure that, during times of extreme congestion, might take several days because your garbage coin is useless. Bill Morgan, an attorney, has written. Once more. Now he will provide some additional knowledge regarding this. In my opinion, this is where things really begin to heat up. On September 24, 2018, the price of XRP was more than 56 cents, but it is currently lower than that amount, according to Attorney Morgan's claims. Relax with me. Indeed, he is merely stating facts in that manner. At the moment, XRP is trading at a discount. Still, I had a banner year in 2018. Given that not everyone was able to attend, I will go into further detail to set the scene. In that instant, he was absolutely right. Litecoin is keeping a close eye on all of this as of right now, September 23, 2018. Evidently, XRP was worth 58 cents. Does anyone have any idea what's happening over there? Actually, I'll tell you that XRP was 25 cents in the middle of August a month ago if you go down a little farther. In what month of 2018 will the 25 cents be raised to the 5,658 cents? It did, in fact. Why? On-demand liquidity is supposedly what became of Ripple's X-Fast, which is today more often known as Ripple Payments. The imminent introduction of X-Rapid, a platform that would employ XRP as a bridge currency, was the subject of much speculation. And it was either a complete coincidence or something really did leak out, but either way, the rumor was accurate, and everyone was taken aback. As soon as word got out, the price started to go through the roof. Furthermore, I could be completely incorrect regarding this. Trust me when I say it skyrocketed to 70 or 80 cents, But you don't have to take my word for it. That is the end of the video. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe and like my channel. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.